Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to solve review exercise 1 question 4 part 4 5 and 6. So let's start. Last day we solved question number 4 part 1 to 3. Today we are going to solve part 4 of question 4. It is quite simple, just like previous questions. We have to put the values of a and b and then solve further. Okay, so let's start. Here the value of a is equal to 2 3 0 1 and 0, and b having entries b -4 -2 and -1. So 2 over 3 2a negative minus 3b bracket close according to condition or question. First of all, we will put the values of a and b and then multiply a with 2 and b with 3 and then subtract it, and then we will multiply 2 over 3. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we multiply within brackets 2 by matrices a, metric a, and 3 by metric b, just like this. सिंपल हमने क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया है, और 2 over 3 एज इट इज़ इसके साथ ही रहेगा. ठीक है. ओके, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 into 0 0. Negative sign as it is. 5 3s are 15, 4 minus 4 3 minus 12, 3 minus 2 minus 6, and 3 minus 1 is minus 3. So as we know that these two matrices have same order, so we can subtract, and we will subtract the corresponding entries. The corresponding entry of 4 is 15, so 4 minus 15. Corresponding entry of 6 is minus 12, so when 6 minus minus 12, it will be plus 12. Okay, because minus minus is plus 12. Okay, 2 minus minus 6 will be plus 6, 2 plus 6, and 0 minus minus 3 will be 0 plus 3, because माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब इनको फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आंसर आ जाएगा, -11 18 8 एंड 3. 2 over 3 एज इट इज़ इनके साथ हम लोग लिखते रहेंगे. ठीक है. ओके, फाइनल आंसर हमारा ब्रैकेट हमने सॉल्व कर ली. उसके बाद क्या होगा, 2 by 3 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय all these entries inside the matrices. So 2 over 3 multiply by -1, 2 over 3 multiply by 18, 2 over 3 multiply by 8, and 2 over 3 multiply by 3. So by simplification we will get 2 multiplied by -11 will be -22. 3 is divided by 18, it will be 3 1s are 3 and 3 6 are 18, so 6 2s are 12. Okay, in next part 3 ओके, 8 2s are 16, ये कैंसिल आउट नहीं होगा क्योंकि 8 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता, सॉरी 3 के टेबल में 8 नहीं आता. ठीक है. ओके, 8 2s are 16, 16 over 3 as it is, and then 3 will be cancelled out by 3, and then 2 is remaining. This is answer of question 4 part 4. Okay. Okay, question number 5. In question number 5, find the value of x if two matrix having entries 2 3 1 minus 3 plus x is equal to the other metric there having a entries 4 minus 1 minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, solution. First of all, this metric will be shifted to the right side, then it will be negative. ओके, सिंपल है. जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मल क्वेश्चंस में भी सॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं, अगर एक्स की वैल्यू में चाहिए होती है, बाकी वैल्यूज़ को जब हम दूसरी साइड पे शिफ्ट करते हैं तो उनके साइन क्या हो जाते हैं, चेंज हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, या फिर वो उनका हम लोग रेसिप्रोकल लेके ही नेक्स्ट साइड पर हम लोग शिफ्ट कर रहे होते हैं उसका. ठीक है. ओके, when we shift this metric to the other side, it will be negative. So for minus 2 is just like this, minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 and minus 2 माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 हो जाएगा. हमने क्या किया, हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया इनकी एंट्रीज को, कोरिस्पोंडिंग एंट्रीज को. ठीक है, ओके. द फाइनल आंसर इज 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, and minus 2 plus 3 is 1. This is answer. The x is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 3 and 1. Okay, okay. Question number 6. If a is equal to 0, 2, 1, minus 3 and b is equal to minus 3, 5, 4, minus 2, then prove that the first one is ab is not equal to ba, and the second one is a into bc is equal to ab into c. Okay, first of all we will solve the part 1, that is ab is not equal to ba. हमने क्या करना है, प्रूव करना है कि ए बी ए के इक्वल नहीं होता. ठीक है, first of all putting the values of a and b, that is a and the value of b is this one. Okay, so multiply these two matrices because ab means that the matrix a will be multiplied by matrix b. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन की है. ठीक है, हम बहुत बार ये कर चुके हैं. सिंपल स्टेप्स, इस एंट्री को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और सेकंड इस एंट्री को इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड सो ऑन. ओके, the final answer, the multiplication of AB, final answer will be 5 minus 21 2 over 14. It will, you can consider this one is first equation. Okay, or you can say that it is a left hand side. Okay, आप left hand side भी इसको consider कर सकते हैं. Next one is BA, that is right hand side. Putting the values of BA and then multiply. After multiplying you will get 8 minus 4 minus 15 and 11. So is AB is equal to BA? No. So hence proved AB is not equal to BA. The next part we will solve next day. Thank you.